Hello mga loves, good morning. Good morning, galing po ako sa taas. Hi, why the diaper is here? Why you take it off? Why you take your diaper off? I told you to wear your diaper because sometimes you're still leaking. Huh? Hello, why the diaper is here? What? Take it off. Take it from the floor. Take it from the floor. Bring it over there. Don't. Anyway mga loves. So si Roxy, pinasuot namin niya ng diaper kasi po paminsan ano siya ba, lalo na kapag takot siya for no reason ba, matatakot siya, magtulo-tulo yun na iyang bilat. Tulo-tulo. So kailangan kong maglinis na naman dito sa aming who wants to go pee-pee? Come on, let's go pee-pee. Come on. Come on, go, keep going. Hello, grabe ang humidity, uy. Grabe, keep going, Roxy. Come on. Go. Grabe ang humid. Ay. Grabe ang init. Grabe ang init. Mag-short lang ata ako. Pangit man ang legs ko eh. Layas kami. Layas na naman kami. Make sure that you have the paper. Where is it? Huh? So, hinihintay ko si Tami dito, no? Kasi nga, bakit open ang window lahat and then nagpa-easy ako. O, diba? So, hinihintay ko si Tami and yun, drive lang. Kahapon kasi kung nakikita ninyo yung video, nagpunta kami, lumabas kami, ito yung kailangan namin mga loves, pero talagang nakalimutan yung dalhin yung papel. So, hintayin ko siya. Bakit i-drive ko siya? Kasi parang may siya kasama at ako din makalabas sa bahay. Kasi ayaw kong ang dami kong planong gawin mga loves tungkol sa mga magbili ng dress. Kasi kaunti lang talaga yung damit ko talaga, promise. Na kaunti lang talaga yung damit ko mga loves. Hindi man talaga ako mahilig din na So yun, tapos na siya and dito na. Ang bilis naman. That was quick, love.
Yeah, I had to wait a few minutes for her to finish what she was dealing with.
They have lunch?
Well, she was dealing with other customers.
Oh, do you love no matter what, honey? Look at me how ugly I am. No?
It's not true, you know, it's not true. Even if freaking people online tell you it's not true, except for the haters.
No, they know I'm ugly, honey. They told me that.
No, when people tell you that, okay, that little stupid shit you don't believe, but that you choose to believe for your ass.
Because I have a mirror. Where are we heading?
Funhouse mirrors.
Where are we heading?
Forgo. In Hannaford.
Hannaford? What are you gonna do in Hannaford?
Hannaford.
Honey.
Hannaford.
There you go again. What are you gonna do in Hannaford?
I don't know. I'm gonna go there.
Oh man, ay.
Okay, that didn't work out. You're good at this guy.
What are you gonna do in Hannaford now? Tell me now.
Stores, I'll probably do groceries.
Han, I just did grocery hunt yesterday. What do you need? Do you want the seafood, right? We have seafood, we have shrimp, we have clams, we have mussels. What else do you need? We have celery, we have bell pepper, we have... What do you need, really?
And it hurts, watch that top over there.
The blonde girl, the red car. So, ngayon, mag-grocery na naman daw po siya eh. Hindi ko na alam what he need to buy. This crazy guy here. You don't know what you're getting, right? You just want to go there, right?
Yeah, just like that.
Okay, tell me, what do you want to buy?
I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know?
That's our car from yesterday, right? Yeah. Right, Nissan.
Park here. I'll park here. Okay, good luck. Well, you know what they said? Don't say good luck and coincidence, because it's really like there's no good luck. There's no coincidence, because God's planned everything. God's plan. It's not coincidence, it's not a luck. It's God's plan. It's God's already know it. It's gonna happen. Okay? There's no coincidence and there's no luck. No smoking, honey. No smoking or open flame within 50 feet.
That's fine.
Tumawag si Mr. sa akin kasi nga daw nakalimutan niya kung ano yung ipabili ko sa kanya. Chicken lang na, chicken wipes lang yung ipabili ko sa kanya, pero nakalimutan niya, mga darling. So yun, tumawag. So hopefully tapos na siya. And then sabi ko sa kanya, bili ka na din yung chicken, oy. Kasi gutom na talaga ako. And then walang akong makain. Gusto ko sana ng rice. So uwi na kami. Yun, uwi kami mga loves. Pagkatapos, let's see kung anong mabili niya doon sa tindahan. Pero for sure, bibili daw siya ng maraming chicken para sa aming aso. Ito talaga si Tami, no, mahilig bumili ng chicken. Kasi mura lang yung chicken dito nila, no, may sasakyan. So ibaba ko kayo. So yun, mura lang yung chicken nila dito. And then, so mga 99 per pound lang yun siya. So ang magasto niya mga nasa $5 lang yung magasto niya. So kaya bili siya ng chicken para sa aming alaga. Ang swerte ng mga alaga namin. Pero alam nyo, ayaw ko nang kumain ng chicken na basta hindi ko na-explain mga loves. Naging picky ako lately sa aking mga kinakain. Lalo na sa mga tindahan. No, naging picky talaga ako. So yun siya.
Because you put the wrong number in it. So it says Rainier on the bag, so I put Rainier. So it says Rainier cherries. So I hit yes. And apparently no. Because they were supposed to be on sale for $2.99. They bring up to $6.99. So no fucking way.
Can I try the different chicken?
Yes.
Bumili si Tami ng maraming chicken. Buffalo chicken wild wings. Oh my God! Spicy!
See idea.
Oh my goodness! That sauce is spicy.
That's the idea. That's why it's a buffalo chicken.
That sauce is spicy. Why is it warm?
Worms?
Uh-huh.
What are you talking about?
There is worm in it.
Yeah, okay. Not worms.
Uwi na kami mga loves, and yun, si Tami may chicken. I'm starving, and then she got me chicken spicy. Can I get another one? Okay, that's it, love. You can close it now. Thank you. Spicy, You know yung spicy na, it's really good spicy. It's painful, but it's so good. That kind of spicy, mga love.
It's not that spicy as painful. Seriously. It's got a nice bite to it. It's not that hot.
I'm good. Thank you, love. So good. This is good with vegetables. loves. Yung asawa ko ba, sinabihan ko siya, bilhan mo ako ng isa or dalawang wipes. Bumbilhan ako ng ito. No? So, ganyan po yun siya mga darling. Kailangan talagang bilhin lahat. No? So, yun. At magluto tayo ng chicken para sa ating alagang aso. Ito siya. And then pagkatapos niyan maluto, ilagay natin siya sa freezer. Kasi ang mga aso, they are very spoiled, Han. Han? Their dog, your dog and your cats. Sobrang spoiled nila. So, kaya kailangan lang itong lutuin para sa kanila. And then, pagkatapos niyan, Tommy have to dry season the chicken thighs for him. I'm going to put that in the oven later. So, yan. At sobrang init. We can't even sit outside. The humidity is really not good. Adoy, luto na, Han. Oh my goodness, my husband told me to check his chicken because ayaw niya yung sobrang very dry. Ayaw niya yung dry, so kailangan nating i-let this chicken out. But the thing is, ang daming langaw nakapasok sa bahay. Look, ito yung chicken niya. He doesn't want it to be you know what I mean. He doesn't want it to be dried out. So I need to put the other chicken here. The chicken niya, oh. Ilagay natin siya sa oven ulit. And then, look, because dalawa po yung manok niya. Manok! Dalawa po yung ano niya. So, ito po yung chicken niya, no? Yarn. So, kailangan lang natin nilagyan ng foil. Kasi po, the langaw is love it. The langaw, we love it, no? The langaw. Hala, oh, grabe eh. Freaking flies. Ang langaw, gusto ata magpaluto. Hindi magluto ako ng king crab. Kasi we have to cook the king crab before the king crab dried out. Is that okay with you, Han? We're going to cook the king crab. You're okay with that? So we're gonna eat for Linden? You want it? Okay, you're gonna have it. I love you. At naawa naman ako sa ibon mga labs, no? Pakainin natin sila. Kasi, kawawa. Hala, uy. Ang akong hose ba? Madaot, masira. Pero, ay, pakainin natin sila.